All right, the second step in penetration testing is network scanning. Now, many of you already know a lot of the tools used to perform network scanning, but there are a few of them that every security professional or penetration tester must know and master. So let's start a brief discussion of these tools. Now, if you navigate to Applications, go to Kali Linux and Top 10 Security Tools, we can find the first one here, Nmap. Now, if you are a Windows user, you have probably seen the Windows version or graphic version of Nmap, which is called ZenMap. It's probably the same, although here you have more control about the type of scan, how it performs the scan, and really what you need from the scan. Nmap can reveal the following things: the IP addresses of a different subnet, what the live IP addresses are, what the ports open for each IP addresses are, and whether the OS is running, what the virus is behind that IP address, and how long the operating system has been up and running. We can find out a lot of things here, obviously, with Nmap. Now, another interesting tool to know is hping, which is now on version 3. Type hping 3 and hit enter. You can see that hping 3 doesn't show the help menu right away. In hping and other applications, you can always type man, M-A-N, to get the complete manual on how to use hping 3. Now, another tool that you can use for scanning is Netcat. Netcat could be used as a Trojan or a backdoor, but it is also very powerful for scanning. So we have Netcat, we have hping 3, which is a scanning tool and an interceptor, and of course we have Nmap. Now, remember that Nmap is only for scanning. It cannot be used as a backdoor or an interceptor. I ask every security professional to master these 3 tools because you will use them in your everyday work.
The next step is enumeration. In this step, we get detailed info about the target machine and environment. Here, we are getting into details for the final phase. We may have to connect to a target system to gather this info. Hackers follow a methodical approach to their hacking.